Imagine you're a business owner trying to expand your operations globally. You've got your products, your team, and your vision, but what about the financial backbone? International payments, currency exchange, and cross-border transactions can be a complex maze. That's where Airwallex steps in. But is it the right choice for your business? The Airwallex Advantage. Airwallex is a financial technology company that offers a range of global financial services. It's like a financial Swiss Army knife for businesses. Here's a breakdown of what it offers. Global payments. Need to send or receive payments in multiple currencies? Airwallex has you covered. Their platform allows you to make and receive payments in over 100 currencies with competitive exchange rates. Multi-currency accounts. Tired of juggling multiple bank accounts for different currencies? Airwallex provides you with a single, multi-currency account, simplifying your financial management. Embedded finance. Want to offer financial services to your customers directly? Airwallex's embedded finance solutions allow you to do just that, seamlessly integrating financial features into your products or services. Treasury management. Need a centralized platform to manage your global treasury operations? Airwallex offers tools to help you optimize your cash flow, manage risk, and improve your financial efficiency. Comparing Airwallex to Wise. Now, you might be wondering, isn't Airwallex just like Wise? Well, not entirely. While both companies offer international money transfers and currency exchange, there are some key differences. Product focus. While Wise primarily focuses on consumer-to-consumer, C2C, money transfers, Airwallex is geared more towards business-to-business, B2B, transactions. Additional services. Airwallex offers a broader range of services, including embedded finance and treasury management, which might be more attractive to businesses with complex financial needs. Pricing. Both companies have their own pricing structures, so it's important to compare their fees and exchange rates based on your specific needs. Is Airwallex right for you? So, is Airwallex the right choice for your business? The answer depends on your specific requirements. If you're a business that needs to make frequent international payments, manage multiple currencies, or offer financial services to your customers, Airwallex might be a good fit. However, if you're primarily looking for a simple and affordable way to send money abroad, Wise might be a better option. Key considerations. Before making a decision, consider the following factors. Your business needs. What specific financial services do you require? Your budget. How much are you willing to spend on fees and exchange rates? Your regulatory requirements. Does Airwallex comply with the regulations in your region? Customer support. How responsive and helpful is Airwallex's customer support team? Ultimately, the best way to determine if Airwallex is right for you is to do your own research and compare it to other options in the market. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks of Airwallex and considering your specific needs, you can make an informed decision and choose the financial technology partner that best suits your business. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.